These are Air Force 1 triple white. People also call them all whites. I got them for 2800 rupees only. What's up people, welcome back to yet another new video on Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. Today we are talking about these fake Air Force 1s that I got from Vietnam, and I also have the original ones. So we're going to go ahead and compare both of them and also see the price factor. You guys ready? See you on the other side. So there's quite an interesting story around these fake Air Force 1s. One of my friends recently visited Vietnam, and I was very sure that Vietnam has a flourishing sneaker market selling both real and the fake ones. Of course, you get the fake Air Force 1s in India also, but I just wanted to do this thrilling exercise of picking up fake one from Vietnam and checking if the quality really matches with the Indian ones or not. So going forward, we are going to talk about 5 most important features that you should look in a shoe to find out if these are real or fake, and I'm going to break down each factor in a very detailed manner, in a very clear manner, so that you get an exact idea about picking the right shoe for yourself. The first thing that's instantly visible is this counter cushion area. Now if you see in the fakes, it is very uneven, and at some parts the inner material that's used to create a cushion has gathered like sponge balls. Whereas on the real ones, the counter cushion area is absolutely smooth and uniform, and even the quality of cloth is quite premium. Second thing that makes it obvious are these Dubrays. Some people call it lace tags, and there are other names also, but the correct way to call this is Dubrays, D-U-B-R-A-E-S. Now in the fake ones, these are of very inferior quality, and it is very light in weight and doesn't give you that metal feel. Whereas in the original ones, the moment you hold the Dubrays, it has some weight and feels very genuine metal stuff. Third prominent thing is this lace unit where it gets over. So if you see carefully, there is a lot of stitching around this open area. In the fake ones, it doesn't look very uniform, and lots of places where it's left open. Whereas in the OG ones, this particular part is sorted in terms of finishing. You don't see any open ends, and the finishing is quite premium. Fourth visible difference I came across when I dived actually deep into the shoe, and it's about the insole. Let me take this out. Now the quality of insole in the fake ones is very low. The insole of the fake ones is very thin material, also no matter or weight around it, and doesn't hold on to its shape. Whereas the OG Air Force ones have a substantial material on their insoles, offer good cushioning, and are very durable. Now the final and the fifth difference in our list is the laces. These are quite visible right on the top of the shoes. So if you see carefully, the laces in the fake ones are of inferior quality and sometimes even gather when you try to pass them through the lace eyelets. Whereas in the OG Air Force ones, the laces are of very good quality, premium material, thicker and smooth, and really passes smoothly through the eyelets. Now there can be surely more factors to find the difference between a real shoe and a fake shoe depending on the shoe silhouette. But since we are talking about a shoe that is very common in the market, and these factors that I've chosen, the 5 ones that we just discussed, are the basic ones. So you don't have to be an expert to find the difference, and these are very prominent, so easy to pick. Now coming on to the pricing part, these are Air Force 1 triple white. People also call them all whites. I got them for 2800 rupees only from the fake market. But if you go on for the original ones, then they may range between 9,000 to 12,000 rupees from trusted sellers. And when I'm talking about trusted sellers, I'm talking about Nike.com or Supercakes or Veg Non-Veg. You can also check out for some discounts available from time to time throughout the year on these shoes. And obviously the purpose of making this video is to make sure that you get enough information and avoid being conned by anyone. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys, and if you like the content that I make on this channel, go ahead and share this video with your friends as well. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet. We are aiming to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this month. I'm also very active on Instagram, so if you have any queries, you can just drop a DM. Just make sure that you're very clear and crisp in your DM so that I can resolve your query one by one. Till my next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.